I was just sent this light therapy face mask and I'm really excited because I've been wanting to try one of these for a while. So this one looks pretty cool. They look so crazy when they're on, but before we even put it on and use it, let me show you everything you get and then how to use it. Okay, so you're gonna get these separate. These are what go on your eyes because you've really got to protect your eyes. And it's actually recommended you lay down and rest while you have this on. So I'm gonna force myself to take a rest here. And then these just pop in the little eye areas here. So here we go. So there's one in there. Our eye separation right there. And then it comes with the remote and you just plug that in there. You're also going to get a charging cord. And then this part is to wrap around your head for the ears. So I'm pretty sure we just take this Velcro right here and go through and then wrap. Do the same right here. And then when you're ready, you'll attach it on the other side. Now let's talk about the different lights. So it's important you don't look directly into it. So I will face this to you, but I'm not going to look directly into these lights. This goes in right here. You have this really handy remote. You turn it on with the button that says set on off. And then there's different modes. So when it's in E0, that's how you can turn it on and off. Okay, when you take it to the next mode, this sets up the intensity. So you have 10 levels of intensity and it does warm up as well. Okay, so let's go to the next mode, E2. When I switch that with the button, you get the different colors. So you have 7 different lights to choose from and each has a different thing that they're doing. And then E3, when I hit that, this sets the time. So you can do 30 minutes, you can do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, or 30. So those are the options right there. I'm going to go back to the mode of E0 and just shut that off. Okay, so you got to see the different colors. Each one does something different. So red light is going to be good for aging and acne, blue light for acne, green light for balancing your skin, yellow light is for redness, purple light is for cell rejuvenation, acne and redness, cyan light, so like that lighter blue, that skin irritation, and lastly, white light acne. Now, if you don't remember all that, it comes in your little direction sheet. So all the different lights right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna go straight up red light, anti-aging. My face is clean. I'm gonna get it on and then I'm gonna go lay down for 15 minutes and maybe we'll see an instant before and after. I'm not sure. Usually you have to use these for a while. But before I go and lay down, let me just put this on so we can kind of see how that all attaches. It's so funny to see it. Actually, I wonder if I could, it might be stretchy enough where you could actually just do it beforehand. Try to pull my hair away out of my face. 1, 2. Okay. Oh yeah, that is definitely loose on me. So I will need to be adjusting it to get it into a tighter spot. And then once you adjust it into where you're ready, you're going to take your remote, turn it on, and take a nap. All right, let me go do that, and I'll be back with the results. Okay, I'm out by our pool. Got my remote ready. Gonna hit start on it. But I'm gonna close my eyes, do a 15-minute meditation, and try to relax. I think the hardest part for me has been just getting this thing to really stay on my face, but laying down does definitely help. And done. I definitely feel like my energy is so much calmer because I just took 15 minutes out of my day to meditate with this on. I don't know that I would say there's any immediate results. You're definitely going to have to use this again and again to start really seeing those results. And user error, I kind of indented my nose, I think, with the eye thing. So maybe my placement wasn't as good as it could be. But that said, I didn't even know that happened because I was so relaxed and so calm with this on. If you've been wanting to try an infrared light therapy mask, this is a really good one to try.